The one I left in the bottom with the bottle on it. It got nasty. This one here's kind of getting nasty too, ain't it? Oh, it's broke. Heck, it broke. The stem broke. But anyway, look at that sucker. Oh man. Sucker's huge. It's a nice mushroom. Heck yeah. It's still solid though. I mean, you can still eat it. Looky there. What's he got? A little red fox. He's eating something. Don't seem to be caring about us much. Boy, I've been wanting to get on him on camera. I see him all the time out here. Man, they're common out here. Just sitting down in the middle of the road. Say thanks for the like. Man, I can see what I'm eating. That's pretty cool. Hey there, buddy.
I don't know what it is.
Oh, I'm scared him. See you later, guy. I don't know what he was eating. Hey, turkey. Turkey right into my lane again. And there's always animals down here. Seen a fox down the other way this half a mile yesterday, last night. Deer everywhere all the time. Coons, turkeys. Man, it's awesome living out in the country. There's wildlife all around. Even got deer trails through my own property. Hear turkey in the morning and stuff every day. Well, somebody's coming. Gotta go. Come here, goose. Don't bite me. See my hand feed this wild goose. Come here, goose. Here. It's jerky. You love it. There's a little, oh, one of the little babies. The other ones go. There was 3 of them. Yes, right on my truck door. Pretty cool little spot. There's one of the other ones. There's 3 of them. There it is. There's the other one. 3 little babies. See you guys later. Just filled the end of my lane. Oh, deer all over. They're just scattered all over this field. Yep, getting that time of year, they're all starting to herd up pretty good. Group up. Lots of deer around this part of the country. It's a typical sight. I haven't got antlers. Anyway, I gotta go check the creek, see if they're ready to hunt before it gets dark, so I can be ready to go tomorrow.